Good afternoon from Disney Springs. I am Lou Mongello. You are my friend, and I am hungry. I haven't eaten all day because I am super excited to be here for the first time in forever, really, to the new Guy Fieri restaurant, Chicken Guy, right here in the shadow of Planet Hollywood in Disney Springs. You obviously know the name Guy Fieri, Flavortown, all of his celebrity chef TV shows and status. Well, he just recently opened the very first flagship store of Chicken Guy, which may or may not be coming to a town near you relatively soon. They have one open. They're about to start opening more. I have never been here before. I'm super hungry. I dig me some chicken. So before we even go inside, you see that there's some outdoor seating as well as indoor seating. But what's really important about Chicken Guy is it's one of the first and really one of the few quick service restaurants here in Disney Springs. You know, this for me is my 5th theme park. I spend more time here than I do in the actual theme parks. And I love, obviously, the food while I'm here. But a lot of times, especially if you're with friends or family, you want to just grab something quick. Your choices are very limited. Chicken Guy changes all that. They're also going to change the way you eat your chicken because it's not just about the chicken, but it's about the sauces. Invite a friend, get a snack. You're going to be hungry. Let's go inside. So there's a couple of things I want you to notice, and first and foremost is the number and the diversity of different sauces. We'll go through it a little bit more once we sit down and place our order. But as you can see, there are 22 currently different sauces. 22 different sauces, from Guy's favorites to the classics, to a little hot and a little spicy. And it's everything from things like Chipotle and ranch and wasabi honey, some really unique things, to classics like blue cheese, buttermilk brown sugar, avocado crema, and you get a little sweet and hot and sweet, and Nashville hot honey. I'm super excited. I'm super starving. I have been waiting for you to be able to try this. You'll be able to see when we get to the menu that it is everything from sandwiches to tenders. And what I love about this too is it's an open kitchen, so you'll be able to watch as your food is getting made. We're going to sort of wait in line. We're going to ease our way up, and we're going to place an order. I'm going to eat enough for all of you. For any of you who have been here before, let me know your experience here at Chicken Guy if you had a chance to try it in the past. So I love the fact that they have a variety of different sides as well, including chicken fries. I am all about mac and cheese, and I've watched them make this before. Loaded fries covered in super melted cheese with grilled chicken and bacon and onions. And I've also watched a few of these come out. Some of the frozen treats, a double mint shake and a cinnamon apple shake, as well as salad bowls if you want to get a little bit healthier. And you obviously, they can both be fried as well as grilled. And once again, there are the 22 different sauces. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Do you want chicken? Do you have a favorite?
National honey hot.
And you go tenders?
I do go tenders. And you have to get one of these guys too.
Oh, absolutely.
That guy.
Just for research
Also,
purposes alone.
These are my favorite. So get whatever you like.
Okay. You like pickled chips better than mac and cheese? All right. I'm gonna go. Okay. I'm gonna be healthier and get the fried pickled chips instead of mac and cheese.
I like both, but I am a fried pickled.
So if you have a recommendation of a sauce that you'd like me to try, I think I'll go with maybe 3. I'm thinking. Oh, look who's here. It's Guy Fieri. He's so tall. Is he this tall in real life? I need to get tall. I have to start wearing heels because I can't. He's standing on the step stool.
You're gonna want to set that down on the table inside or outside. We'll bring them to you, okay?
All right, Marlena. This is my first time here, so be gentle.
I'm only but gentle.
So I'm thinking 5-piece tenders, please.
All right, 2 sauces.
Oh my gosh.
Pick with however many you
Yeah.
want. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. What do you recommend? What do you like?
I like special sauce. I like the National Honey Hot, Chipotle Ranch.
All right, so I've heard from other people that the Nashville Hot Honey is definitely one. All right, I'll do Nashville Hot Honey, and I'm gonna do. How about?
People like the avocado crema. People like the peri peri.
How about wasabi honey?
All right.
And oh gosh, something different. I'll try the avocado crema as well, please.
You want to try any more?
Sure. Let's do a hot one. No, let's do.
You already did National Honey Hot for one, but sweet sriracha barbecue is really popular here.
All right, I'll try that. Let's do
You want to try
22. Yep. And fried pickle chips, please.
All right.
And I've been told I have to do a cinnamon apple frozen treat.
All right. Perfect.
And that's just my appetizer. So
Enjoy.
I'll start there and then I'll come back.
So you're gonna get this pager number. You're gonna set that down on the table inside or outside. If it's outside, on a place tracker mat.
Will
It's
do.
gonna bring all the delicious food to you in the suite.
I'm so excited. You're making my day. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
Thank you too.
Viene y busca tu comida, okay?
So this is what I wanted to say about having the open kitchen. I love being able to see the food actually being prepared. So you know that everything is fresh. It's not been sitting under a heat lamp. I'm so hungry and I'm so excited, it's not even funny. Hi there. And then there's this guy. Christopher, you're the sauce slinger?
I'm the sauce.
So what exactly does a sauce slinger do?
I just walk around and I show everybody all the sauce I got. These are my 6 favorites I have here.
All right, so what are your favorites?
The Nashville Hot Honey.
All right, I'm down with that.
Special Chipotle Ranch. And brown sugar. Brown sugar.
Sugar. Nice, I think it's like a gun belt in the Old West. So as I showed you as we first came in, there's seating both inside and outside. The outside seating will be a little bit more, it'll be a little bit cooler a little bit later, but there's also a lot of seating indoors as well. We're gonna sort of make camp over here at this table. We're gonna put our tracker down. Hey man. So it's really important that you see that everything here is not frozen. This stuff doesn't come in bags. It's hand pounded down, so you're actually getting, you know, fresh chicken as opposed to stuff that's been sitting in a freezer bag and then defrosted and thrown into a fryer. So something else, something else to be aware of too, as I was looking through the menu. Oh my gosh, she's coming by with food. I'm so excited. Having tripod issues. All of the food on the menu. Hey, wait a minute. There we go. So everything on the menu, I want to be clear, is under $9. So every entree on the menu is under $9. 3 tenders are $6, 7 tenders are $8. Kids meals are around $4 to $5. All the salad bowls are between $8 and $9, and all the sides are $3 to $4. Oh, is that me? Oh, you're making me very happy.
Alright, so we have our pickles, we have your tenders, we have a very delicious cinnamon shake for you there. Then you have your avocado crema, your buttermilk ranch for your pickles, your wasabi honey, natural honey hot, and my personal favorite, the sweet sriracha barbecue.
Awesome, Ronnie. Thanks very much.
Awesome,
thank you very much.
And let us know if you need anything.
I'm going to need I'm going to need some friends to help me eat this. Here, let's take a look at. So if you look, the tenders, wow, they're huge. Actually, no, I take that back. They're huge. So you see that they are hand pounded and fresh every day. I wasn't sure before I ordered. I thought they were going to be nuggets. I thought they'd be small, so I ordered 5. Don't judge me. I'm doing this for you. And those are really like sizable portions. Again, especially for the price point. My tripod is broken. Oh my lord, really? Hold on. Let's do it like that. There we go. Try the pickles or my chicken rice. So I'm supposed to try the pickles with buttermilk ranch. I'm going to go with my appetizer first. They're hot. Oh. So they're hot, which means they're fresh, but they're not. Sometimes you go to a state fair, things like that, and you get fried pickles, and it's all breading, and it's just like overly fried. Those are really good. And again, there's a lot in there. And this giant side of fried pickle chips is under $3. So again, you're getting a lot of, I mean, in terms of value, you're getting a ton of food for not a lot of money. Now, let's dig in. Wait a minute. I'm not usually a sweet and a shake guy, but the cinnamon apple looks so good. Oh, it's like a cold apple pie. Wow, that's really good. Wow, that's delicious. It's a cold apple pie. I'm a finger food guy, so this for me is right in my wheelhouse. I'm going to start off with, I'm going to go with avocado crema first, which almost looks like a, it almost looks like a guacamole dip. Whoop. really hot, but it's super fresh. And you saw it's incredibly juicy. I don't know if you noticed all the juice that came out of that chicken when I took a bite. A lot of times you get chicken nuggets or chicken tenders, and they're very dry, almost to the point that they're brittle. I'm not sure if the camera can sort of really catch. It is super, it's super moist. It's really flavorful too. There's not a spice on the breading, but it's a wonderfully savory breading on there, and it is sort of, this one is sort of like dipping it in guacamole. All right, let's step up the game a little bit. We're gonna go wasabi. Oh, wow, that's really good. Wait a minute. That's going to be hard to beat. I have to put these on because I can't read the comments. So, wow, that's number 6, the wasabi honey, which is wasabi, honey, and lime. Is not spicy at all. It's the wasabi flavor, but without the heat. And then you got the sweetness of the honey. That's, I'm gonna finish this nugget. It's tender. That's delicious. That's gonna be hard to beat. I'm gonna eat like a vat of that to go home. I'm gonna cleanse my palate with a pickle chip. So John, you need the heat. We're gonna move up. There's a sweet sriracha barbecue and a Nashville hot honey. I'm gonna go Nashville hot honey. That's number 18 on the list. I love the little the logos and the branding on these. So Nashville hot honey is honey, red chilies, cayenne pepper, garlic, and onion. And Laura, I am eating alone, which is both good and bad and sad, but I don't have to worry about sharing. Get a solid dip. Yep. So there's the heat. The Nashville hot honey sneaks up on you because you got a little bit of that that thick sweetness from the honey, but then I'm going back for more. I'm a glutton for punishment. But there's a oh, thank you. But there is a there's a wonderful flavor that that balances out with you really taste those chiles. But not so much so that it overpowers the flavor of the sauce. It has such a good chili flavor to it. That's wonderful. I'm going to cleanse my palate. So there's chunks of something so my cinnamon toast shake is hand-spun vanilla soft serve with cinnamon toast crunch and Applejack cereal. No wonder why I love this so much. Cinnamon toasty Applejacks are my favorite. Now we're going to move up to the sweet sriracha barbecue. This has roasted red chili puree, tomato, onion, molasses, and brown sugar. So again, there's going to be that balance of the heat and the sweet. Oh, wait a minute. So that has a lot less of, I thought there was going to be a lot more heat. Not at all. There is something, it's the molasses. I think it's the molasses that really cuts the heat on this. I see why that is well, that's a favorite that was recommended by more than one person when I came in. I gotta go back in. So Lara, the chicken is actually delicious by itself for a couple of reasons. One, because it's fresh, it's not frozen, it's super, super moist, and there's the breading fry on the outside is not thick, it's not heavy. It has just enough of a little bit of spices in it to add flavor, but not so much so that it takes away from the chicken. It's just sort of a nice coating. And by the way, they're huge. So when I saw 3, you can order in 3 or 5. When I saw 3 on the menu, I laughed. I'm like, hi, I'm Lou. 3 is enough for a meal. I can't stress what a great value this is. The price point that it's at for the amount and the quality of food that you get. I'm going back in with my $3 for fried pickles. So again, they're huge. They're hot. So because you see everything is made fresh, everything is really hot. They're not greasy, they're not oily at all. Same thing with the fried pickles. A lot of times you'll bite into chicken or fried pickles and that oil and the diesel. Not here at all. I'm going back, and now I need to decide which I like best. I'm going back in for wasabi honey. So, Bill, I spoke to them about the pricing, specifically asking if these are introductory prices. Not at all. This is meant to be the price point. This is meant to be a very accessible, family-friendly, grab-and-go type of place. So they want to keep the prices at these price points. That's part of the attractor. Because obviously, you bring a family of 4, 5, 6 to some of the other sit-down restaurants, they can make for an expensive meal. This is a phenomenal option. So Bonita, the sandwiches all run between $5.99 and $6.99. The chicken tenders are $6 or $5.99 or $7.98. I just noticed you can get a combo, any sandwich or 3 tenders, fries or fountain beverage for $11.50. Kids menu has tenders, grilled cheese, or Mac Daddy mac and cheese. All those are under $5. Salad bowls. There's a chopped chicken Caesar, a barbecue chopped chicken, and a Southwest sweet corn. All those are under $9. And all of the tasty sides are under $4. They're from $2.99 to $3.99. And the loaded fries, the only thing I didn't get, which is sort of big enough for a family, they're huge, that comes in at $7.98. And these shakes are under $5. They're about $4.98. So you're getting a lot of very fresh, very flavorful food at a really, really good price point. Like, I haven't been to McDonald's in ages, but I have a feeling you're getting more food, better food, at even a better value. I'm going back in for the avocado crema, which is avocado sour cream. Oh, that's what it is. It's cilantro and lime. We might need to come here for momentum. So, I really want to be clear too. Do they have a crunchy? So no, Joseph, they don't. But if you order a salad bowl, oh wait, I'm sorry. I just realized I left something very important off the discussion. All of the sandwiches, the tenders, and the salad bowls, you can get as crispy fried or grilled. So there's an all-natural grill option too. There's also 5 different sandwiches. The Sauce Boss, which is the chicken sandwich and your choice of any 2 sauces. A classic, which is cheddar special sauce and lettuce, tomato, onion pickle. The Bourbon Brown Sugar Barbecue, which has pepper jack, bourbon brown sugar, barbecue sauce, special sauce, slaw, pickles, and barbecue, kettle chips. Wow. Again, that's under $7. The Big Bite, bacon, lettuce, and tomato, and a Southwestern that has pepper jack, special sauce, that avocado crema, cumin lime mojo, charred corn, roasted peppers. Oh my gosh, that's a meal in and of itself. And again, the sandwiches, the tenders, and the salads are available both as crispy fried or grilled. So if you're looking for a slightly healthier option, you can do that as well. I prefer my tenders just the way God intended, which is crispy fried. I'm gonna go back and I have to keep all my sauces like organized here. I'm going back in for Nashville Hot Honey. Is there an option to get food to go? Yes. We just got to ask the question. Yes, you can get. Oh my God! If they delivered to my house, I wouldn't need pants anymore. I would literally not have to leave my house. So yes, you can get an option to go. So I'm thinking if you're staying at Saratoga Springs, any of the Disney Springs resort hotels, maybe the kids are tired or they've been in the pool all day, you can walk right across the bridge overpass, get this to go, eat all the fried pickle chips on the way back to the room, and then give the kids whatever's left over. I'm not saying that I would ever do that, but Melanie Jones, you just said deliver the momentum. And that's a really good idea. I'm hosting an event at the Wyndham in October. I have to find a way to get this over there for the attendees. Is Die Hard a Christmas movie? Yes, yes it is. I think I'm only going back in just to try and decide on my favorite. Maybe we can put a zip line from my balcony at the hotel to Chicken Guy. We can talk to them about that. I'm not sure the lawyers on either side will approve. Do you have a favorite sauce?
Bourbon barbecue one.
Oh, I didn't get that one.
It's really good.
Sweet sriracha barbecue, Nashville, wasabi honey.
The avocado crema is almost like a twist on the guac.
It is, and who would ever think to have guacamole on? It's going awesome. That's okay. I know these guys. So I will tell you that what's going on, brother? How you doing, man?
Are you busy talking?
I am, but that's okay. You can come say hi.
Good to see you as always. Hello there.
You know this guy. I'm
I
sure
know
you
this
know
guy.
I know this guy. It's Jeff Lang from
Mount Steps.
and like you've been around. Like I was talking to somebody the other day about
Who's talking? You've been all
old
around
time.
the world.
No, like old timers. Like you've been doing your Disney thing like forever.
28 years.
Has it really been that
28
long?
years. Started in 1990. 28 years.
You are like the OG of OGs.
But we're showing our age.
These kids these days.
How old are you?
I just hit 50. So
Almost 50. Not that.
I think we look pretty darn good. Have you had it yet?
I have had it, but I'm trying all new things today.
This is my first time and I dig it.
You have not had the mint shake yet?
No, but this
Need the mint.
no, this
I haven't had
tastes-
this.
This is delicious. It tastes like a cold apple pie. So it's healthy because it has fruit in it.
Very healthy. The apple. And then you got the fried.
It has
this is
Apple
the
Jackson.
fried version.
I didn't know that there was a grilled option until, but it's okay.
I just learned that myself.
I still would have wanted the fried option anyway.
You need to have the sauce slinger.
I know.
Have you had any sauce slang?
I'm waiting for the slinger guy to come by.
Best job at Disney Springs.
The
He
sauce
told me.
slinger?
That's
Yeah.
what he said.
I agree with him. How bad could his bad day be? Like he's slinging sauces, making people happy. He's like a Dream Squad cast member. He's just bringing
I
around.
remember seeing people that nobody remembers the Dream Squad.
I just did the whole thing about the Dream Squad.
Denise won. She stayed in the castle for a night. She won a night in the castle. True
Do
story.
you know what I won from the Dream Squad?
A hat?
Nothing. Zip.
I find that hard to believe.
I did. I got lots of good memories, but I didn't win a thing. That's right. I'm winning today though because I got fried chicken.
And not only that, look at this. I'm going to seal one.
Steal a pickle, man,
You
and
have
dip it in that.
fried pickles.
Dip it. No, that.
Oh, this is. Oh boy, oh boy.
Right? Good
Very
stuff. And it's a fruit or a vegetable, so it's got to be healthy.
Wonderful. I will let you go, sir.
All right, brother. Always
Hi,
good seeing
everybody.
you. Where can they find your stuff? Mouthsteps.com.
That's right, Mo.
Love that guy. That's a lot of chicken. That's a, like I'm trying to give them an idea just how big these tenders are. This is delicious. But I'm waiting for that guy. I did. And you can totally taste the difference that it's not frozen. Slinger guy, come here.
You're hot.
You're like a fit. I've heard a lot about you. You are like the sauce slinger.
Turn around,
You've
show
got
them
your
your
belt. Show them the. Wait here, let me show them this one. So, Sauce Slinger, I believe that you are the purveyor of happiness in this restaurant. I'm happy as it is, and I'm narrowing down my favorites. But what do you got in the belt over there that I should try?
Your Apple Honey Hot, that's my favorite. So.
This one, the Nashville? That's really good. There's a lot of zip to that one.
Special sauce is probably my second favorite.
Special sauce?
Yeah.
Oh. So what makes it special?
It's like a mixture of everything that you would put on anything. Like it's got ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, everything.
I don't mind if I do. Oh. What else you got? Give me one more. All right, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. I'm going to try them all.
I have habanero, I have a barbecue ranch, and then we have our regular barbecue. That's all you have to spot.
What was that first one? That hot mayo?
Habanero hot.
Habanero hot? Yeah, let's make that happen. Habanero hot. I think this is going to hurt. Fresh habaneros, vinegar, onion, and garlic. And you're right. Even the sauces that are on the hot and spicy menu are not very hot at all.
I haven't tried anything here that's not too bad.
Because you don't want your sauces to take away the flavor of them. They don't want to be so hot. All right, Slinger guy, let me try this. Oh, front of the palate, you get a little bit of that. Ooh, yeah. That's awesome.
It's good?
You have the best job in Disney Springs, man. You, all you do is walk around and make people happy. So, if you like mix up your sauces every day,
Not normally. I always have hot honey and special because those are my two favorites.
the Nashville Hot Honey, that's the one that I
Hot
had.
honey and special, and then I normally mix up the other ones, but everyone always wants to try the barbecue and the ranch, so I normally have those.
Barbecue, we've done barbecue and ranch before, so I gotta try all the new stuff. Thank you very much, man. I'm gonna go and finish my 18 pounds of chicken. Thank you, man. You too. So nice, the sauce guy walking around. If you could come to my house, that would be even better. So. So yes, we are live here at Chicken Guy. And in terms of location, we are attached to Planet Hollywood. The Coca-Cola store is right there. Orange Garage, which is where you should always be parking, is right there. And you see there's both indoor as well as a pretty big outdoor seating area. So Michael Kemp, the habanero was good. You definitely got some of that heat on the front of the palate. But I will tell you, so this meal with the 5-piece tenders, so it's 8, 11. This entire meal, 5 pieces of tenders, all of. Wait a second. This was not a setup. I promise you, this is not a setup. Can I show you guys on camera? I was literally just wrapping up, and this just happened. That guy. And that's the food. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, what's your name, man? What is it? Aiden? What's your name?
Amelia.
Chris.
Chris, what's going on,
I
man?
came here for this.
This is the coolest thing ever. Lou sent him.
Yeah.
Let's eat, because he's just here for the food.
Yeah.
It's like the perfect trifecta of
Hashtag food.
How are you?
Okay.
Oh, it's even better than
Yeah.
chicken. Have you guys been here yet?
No.
Oh, this is good stuff. I hope you like chicken.
Yes. They are chicken fans.
You are gonna like it here a lot. And that, like, great price point, right?
Oh yeah.
Like,
Exactly.
especially when you're bringing hungry kids. What'd you get? What'd you get to eat?
We got a sampler of stuff: chicken and milkshake and fries and mac and cheese.
Oh, look at that. You got mac and cheese, too. You have a good dad. That's awesome.
What's your origin?
I haven't picked one yet.
Yeah, come stand here with me. Go ahead. Yeah, why not?
What are you saying?
Oh, so you got the mint milkshake too.
Yes.
Even better. That's awesome. Look at that mac and cheese.
Go ahead.
Oh, you're going right for the.
The sweetness.
Oh, it's like a thin mint on top too.
Yes.
That's pretty awesome. If you want to try a fried pickle, go ahead.
Want to try a pickle?
I got plenty of fried pickles, man.
What do you say?
Try a fried pickle and some of that little dipping sauce right there.
Thank you.
So I love this, man. This is my first time here. I think it's a great grab and go option. The food is delicious, and I keep saying it because, again, I think about coming with kids. It's such a great value.
Yeah. Exactly.
Now, where's home for you guys?
Massachusetts.
Okay. Wait, aren't you in school?
Nope. Not until after Labor Day.
Wow, my kids have been in for like 2 weeks already.
Yep.
So,
Do it.
all right, man. I want to hear your live dining review.
What do you think of it?
Give me your live dining.
Mouth watering. The fries taste like potatoes.
They taste like potatoes.
They've watched you once or twice.
And how old are you guys?
10 and 7.
10 and 7.
Yep.
Stay that age forever. Don't get any older. Just stay 10 and 7. That's like the perfect age.
Whoa. Let's break it out.
Right, that's a big piece of chicken,
Yes.
isn't it? What kind of sauce did you get?
We got the brown sugar and the mojo,
Oh,
which somebody recommended on there.
I heard that too. I don't think I didn't get the mojo one. So have at it. I want to hear your review. I'm going to keep eating my chicken I'm going to eat my chicken off camera.
What do you think of the mojo, Amelia? Nice.
Oh, look at you. This kid, we just bonded. He just put his mac and cheese on top of his chicken tender. Are you a professional?
Just plays the part.
That dad is raising his kids right. He put his mac and cheese on top of. Who even thought of doing that? You trying the sauces?
Yeah, they are hot. Nice and fresh out of the oven.
Oh, and the tenders are super hot, super juicy too. So I love it. I dig it, and I still have more. I still have more tenders to go. I'm not even close to done yet. So I'm gonna finish my chicken. I'm probably gonna have some of theirs too. I'm gonna steal some of his mac and cheese when that kid's not looking. But I will tell you, this is a pleasant surprise here at Chicken Guy, Flavortown, USA, right next to Planet Hollywood, across from the Coca-Cola store. Food, glorious food. See? I dig the shirts, man. Good stuff. I want to know, have you ever been to Chicken Guy here in, I was going to call it Flavortown, here in Disney Springs? If so, I'd love to hear your review. Leave your review in the comments below or call the voicemail, let me know. If you haven't been here yet, next time you come, there's a good chance I'll be wandering around. So thank you guys so very much for watching on this Tuesday afternoon. If you liked it, please do me a favor, share it with your friends in your favorite Facebook group or on Twitter. And I will see all of you guys tomorrow night on the regular live show. Thanks very much for watching. See ya. Flavor all day.